So I installed these misters a couple weeks ago, and I really wish I'd have done it sooner because these are outstanding and we absolutely love them. Not only were they easy to install and they came with everything you need, but they make a huge difference in the temperature. Right now it's summer in Arizona. It can be 115 degrees out here, and these work so well they actually make it bearable to be sitting out here. So we really, really like them. I highly recommend them. So the kit comes with a whole bunch of these connectors and then the tubing to connect them together. So all you do is you cut your tubing and you push it into the end and it locks on. This was very easy to do. Some of the reviews I read said that these leaked, and the first time that I turned my system on, I actually did have 2 leaks. And all I did was I went back and I pushed the tubing in better, and it sealed it up and all the leaks went away. The way that I attached mine is that I just zip tied them, as you can see right here. I zip tied it right to the electrical cable for the lights. Most of mine are done that way. It comes with zip ties and it comes with hooks with nails. So I have a short section where I don't have lights, and for that I use the nails and hooks, and those seem to work just fine too. One thing I learned from my install is that if you put a mister near anything hanging down like this light bulb, it causes the water to condense and then you get drips like you see here. So if I were to do this install again, what I would do is I would measure the distance in between each of my light bulbs, and I'd put the mister right in the center. Then it wouldn't have anything to spray and I wouldn't be getting this dripping issue. So the way that I did my hose connection is I ran it around the corner of the house here. This is the side of my house that nobody can see. So I just ran it over the top of this window and then down the side of the house using these stick-on clips that you can get. These are really handy. Keeps everything in place, and then it just runs to the ground and then it hooks to a hose back there. Very, very easy to do. So this is something that I added that I highly recommend. This is called a Wi-Fi water timer. And what it does is it allows me to turn on my misters using my phone or my smart speakers. It also has a timer, so I have it set at an hour right now. So when I turn on my misters, they automatically run for 1 hour and then shut themselves off. This is really helpful. I highly recommend it. They're not that expensive. So I'll put links to the products that I use down below. And if you like this video, if you learned anything, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. That would help me out greatly. Thank you so much.